This is the after. I got these staple to right now. So from the back, right there. Out at maybe I can do another thing. I can just put some plastic over it, melt some plastic. Plastic melt ko meli upor di dibo pipe. But yeah, for now it's a temporary fix. Don't think that's gonna come out that easily. But itu critical part no boots too. So major critical part is this, which holds it, the zip, and this one right here. This one, itu pull quite here. So it's not the most critical part. So this should do it for now. Yeah, there you go. Boots fixed. There'll be a ride soon coming up. Not sure if it's gonna be anini hoina. Maybe it'll be rowing. Let's see. And thanks for subscribing and liking. See you.